Are you hesitant to travel during the pandemic? Well, we have just the kit to ease some of your worries. We here at Passport Snob have put together the ultimate travel kit for trips during the pandemic. And best of all, it can be used every day. Stay tuned as we review the ultimate travel kit.
The reason I get fly is I've been Jasper. I even keep your picture in my passport. Love, love. Wake up and...
As we mentioned, this kit will come in handy during any trip, but also when you're on the go. The ultimate travel kit comes in a handy little travel pouch that can be thrown in a backpack or a purse. Inside the pouch, you'll find 1 reusable face mask, 2 activated carbon filters, 1 hand sanitizer with 75% alcohol, 1 pack of disinfecting wipes, again with 75% alcohol, 1 portable travel soap paper sheets. For those who do not like to use hand sanitizer and prefer soap, this is perfect for you. And also for those occasions when you run into a restroom and soap isn't available. As you see, you get a good lather with the soap sheet. You have a door opener. The door opener comes with a retractable pin, which can be pinned on your clothes or your outer bag, making it very accessible. Of course, you have the pouch.
The kit is available on our website at www.passportsnobofficial.com. And as always, don't forget to follow us on your social media platform of choice for cultural experiences and more. And for tips, tricks, hacks, and reviews, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. See you next time, guys.